Nearest petrol pump.
375 meters turn left.
So you have the map turning on, and also the navigation, turn by turn navigation applying on the dash. So you can see auto reply SMS enable. Brightness increase. Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault and welcome to yet another update video of the TVS Raider 125, which is really creating waves in the 125cc segment. The way it rode, the way it took the market by storm, we all know that it actually outperforms the 125cc segment, and also brings a host of features which are first in the 125cc segment. Now TVS have gone ahead and upped the ante and taken their domination and taken the onslaught to a completely different level by offering first in class features like a 5-inch full color TFT console, and it comes with the connected bike features which the digital Indian of today's day and age is hoping for and craving for. So what all features have they packed into this connected bike features with the Bluetooth connectivity, phone connectivity, audio controls, and what all features you come expecting with the voice control commands is something we're going to have a look at. First, let's quickly look at overview of the motorcycle. It looks absolutely stunning, ahead of its time design with the twin DRLs, striking looking DRLs. The yellow color also looks pretty neat and elegant, and also kind of a sporty feel to it. Made for the Generation Z is what they claim. Gen Z audience are the go-to audience for the Raider, and they have been absolutely in love with this machine right from its very inception. So much so they almost wanted, most of them were not very impressed when the deliveries got a little delayed. Well, now the production has been ramped up and you will be getting the Raider, the bike of your choice, in your parking lot sooner than you can expect. So this is the actual 5-inch color TFT console, the star of the show, and what all features we can come expecting in this connected bike. This thing, once you connect the TVS Connect app available on Google Play Store, is something we'll look at now. Let's look at the startup animation. So this is the startup animation. You have the TVS logo, the Raider logo coming up, and here is the beautiful looking stunning 5-inch full color TFT console, which is first in segment. This is in eco mode now. You can change the riding modes and it turns on to red, and we have a phone that is readily connected. Okay, so this is the animation once you turn on or open the app. Yeah, this is the app because it's already connected. This is the animation. Looks nice and kick-ass, and even the dash looks very neatly done. You have navigation, nearest petrol pump. So here you have the this thing, navigation turned on. Let's try it one more time. Nearest petrol pump.
375 meters turn left.
So you have the map turning on, and also the navigation, turn by turn navigation applying on the dash, which is really state of the art tech being included in a 125cc bike for the first time. So this can be exited and you can go back to the regular this thing. Here you can swipe up and you have all the settings that you can adjust as per your wish and will, and you have lots of other voice command features. Brightness increase. You can see brightness increase. Increasing. Brightness decrease. Just decrease the brightness. Show my location. It says TVS plant Hosur. So this is the host of voice command features that you can try while playing song, next song, previous song, play, pause, enable auto SMS, enable DND mode. Say for instance someone calls this number. Let's see how this thing number appears on the dash. So you can see the call is appearing on the dash. I mean, tap this button to reject, long press to answer. Let's try long press. So the call has been answered, you can see. So that's how intuitive this display is. It's really game changing. It has a beautiful interface. You have navigation, you have songs that you can play, pause, rewind and forward, and you have host of other features that you can set up. And also another important feature that they have come up with is hassle free. Like, you don't have to remove your hand off the handlebar to adjust the controls. You don't have buttons on the dash, you have buttons here. So this can actually do the trick for you. So say for instance you press the menu button once, trip A, trip B, average mileage, range. So all this information is available on the dash without you having to lift your hand from the handlebar or leave the handlebar and try operating some buttons over there. So that is a good safety initiative. Another thing, long press the menu button and you go to this part where you have average speed and top speed. So this is not the bike I was riding, don't worry. The top speed achieved is very less. So you can see the speed I've achieved in the motovlog. You also have a USB slot. Everything else is perfectly sorted and well put together, are programmed into this such that it can immediately accept cricket score and football score as well, sports news, so whatnot. So this is something that we saw when they updated the TFT console of the NTORQ. So here you can actually manually also go into the settings and display and change the settings as per your wish. You can go to display settings. You can increase the brightness to the max. You can get social media notifications. You have other updates, weather updates, sports updates, news updates, everything included here, and save as per your preference. Say for instance you are riding and you don't want any notifications while you're while you're riding. Auto reply SMS enable. You can see it's all pretty accurate. And now let me try and call one more time and let's see what happens. Currently I'm driving, will call you after some time. So this is how the auto SMS function works. Disable auto reply SMS. You can see auto SMS disabled. Everything else remains the same. You have tried and tested 125cc air cooled fuel injected motor that puts out 11.3 bhp of max power and 11.2 newton meters of max torque, 5-speed gearbox. The tires could be better because it's a 100 section tire at the back and 80 section tire up front. These are regular tubeless TVS tires. I wish they are Remora tires, but they do a good job in the 125cc segment, but the chassis is so well capable of offering better performance and better handling that you are left wanting for more. A fatter tire, a radial tire could actually make it a better handling machine, but again this is in the segment where people want fuel economy and better average at the end of the day, low cost of maintenance. So basically this is targeted at the Gen Z audience is what they claim. The Wicked ride is here, the Wicked machine is here with Wicked features unlike any other in its segment. And again this is something that a college student can afford. He can buy and maintain with his or her own pocket money, even girls are taking to riding. Lightweight, easy to handle machine. So a lot of women folks who love to ride, start riding, get into the riding culture. This is a very potent machine to look at. Lightweight, easy to handle and easy to enjoy, because each time you ring the throttle you can feel that you're riding a sporty motorcycle. The exhaust note is also nice and pronounced. You can feel people riding in the background in the testing track right at the back. So now I have given you a quick overview of what this 5-inch color TFT console has on offer, the kind of features it has on offer, and now let's hit the track and let's put this machine to the test in the real world conditions. Okay guys, so this is the new TFT console update. The TVS Raider has been receiving a lot of response. I've been part of the Wicked ride as well with JS Paji. This is the Wicked update that it deserved for the Gen Z who demands more, and first time in a 125cc bike we're seeing a 5-inch TFT console with voice command and Bluetooth connectivity. So this is actually Vinod sir. Vinod sir is a well-wisher and trying to be a little formal in this motor vlog. The smile says it all. So first lap is just for those who are riding here for the first time, kind of a warm-up lap. Looking gorgeous in this TFT console. Oh, nice and refined motor. First thing, the ergonomics are really well sorted, and yeah, you have all the buttons here. You have the mode button that you can change on the go, from power to eco to power, and then you have the voice command button here. So all of this activates once you connect your console to the app, TVS Connect app, and once you have a Bluetooth intercom set up in your helmet, you can just say the commands and everything will work flawlessly, because be it nearest fuel station or the weather updates or sports updates or anything that you need to know, almost everything on the go, you stay connected. And that's something that the digital Indian wants, the Gen Z is looking for of today's day and age. They want to stay connected on the go. So that is the best part, is in the 125cc segment no one is trying something like this. I'm so glad TVS have upped the game and have come up with a product unlike any other, which is class leading in terms of design, in terms of features, in terms of specs, in terms of performance, and even the exhaust sound looks pretty, sounds really satisfying. So if you want a bike that will not burn a hole through your pocket, bike targeted at the generation Z or the young generation, the college students who can maintain this with their pocket money, then this is the bike for you. And now they made it even better with the connectivity features that kind of seals the deal.